Hello guys, how are you all? Hope you're doing well. We are from 𝐘𝐨 Solutions, a registered IT company. In today's video, we will learn how to add staff members in 𝐬𝐴nalyst point of sale. Exciting, right? A staff member refers to anyone working in your business, including salesmen, workers, cashiers, accountants, store managers, or even the owner yourself. Steps to add staff members. Let's do it. 1. Click on the staff module located on the left side. 2. Go to Staff Details. 3. Click the Add button to add a new staff member. That's it. Now, let's go through the fields that need to be filled. Assigned date. Enter the date when you want to register the staff member. It can be today's date or any past date. Full name. Enter the complete name of the staff member. Be careful while entering this name. It will be used in multiple places in the software. Designation. What's their role in your business? Salesman, cashier, accountant, owner, store manager. Address. Enter the full address of the staff member. Phone number. You can enter one or more phone numbers, just separate them using a comma or a dash. Enter the staff member's national identity card number. Opening balance. This is super important. The software maintains complete ledgers, so enter the opening balance for the staff member. It can be 0 or any other amount. #, payment criteria. Choose the right one. If you need to pay the staff member, select Payable. This is the default option. If the staff member has already received an advance payment, select Receivable instead. Final steps. You're almost there. 1. Click the Save button to add the staff member. 2. Repeat this process for all your staff members. 3. Once all staff members are added, click Save again to confirm. The software will now generate a notification confirming the addition. Great job. Additional features, check these out. All added staff members will be available in the employee ledger. For example, 2 members have been added here. You can adjust column widths to fit your screen size. Need ledger reports? Click the Reports button and generate them instantly. These reports can be shared with your staff. The added staff members will also appear as salesmen during the billing process. During billing, you can directly select any added salesperson. That's all for today's video. In the next video, we will explore more features. Until then, bye-bye.